welcome to a vlog. I'm finally vlogging. This whole week I have been like sick and I'm just now feeling a little bit better to get out. It's Friday, so I've been in all week, but I wanted to go out and get my nails done, and I wanted to take you guys along with me because I just thought this would be a really cute, fun video. So I'm out and about with my sister. She don't want to be on camera, but we just left the radio station, and I'll explain that in probably another vlog that is coming soon. But yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm about to get my nails done. I haven't had them done in about 2 weeks, so that is not like me. I have been like dying to get to the nail salon for the longest, so I'm super excited now, and I will update you guys when we get to the nail salon. So we're here. I go to Posh Spa and Lounge, and I've been going here for like over a year, so they know me here. So we're here. I'm gonna ask them if I can vlog, so I hope they don't say no. I'm talking to the camera. So I'm here. She said that I can vlog, just don't put anybody's face on there. So yeah, that's cool. And there's like a probably like 10-15 minute wait, so we're just waiting. Yeah, this is my first time getting out this whole entire week, so yeah, I feel better. I'm still a little bit sick, but I'm just trying to push my way through. Can I show you the designer walk? I want like this shape, tapered square. It's not like, it's not coffin, but it's just a square but like skinny. Let me show like a better one too. Like this. Okay.
What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl. Can't be with mine. Always been on my head. That's in a lot, girl, you can't read my mind. Always been on one and I feel outside of my zone. Run out of time, shit, can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything, I'll do best without it. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? Never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act
just finished getting my nails done, and this is what they look like. Maybe I can post some pictures up so you guys can see better. But now me and my sister at this Cajun restaurant, we've never been here before, so we're super excited to try. We have been wanting to come here for a long time now, and we finally got the time to do it. So I really hope this food is good, but we'll see. So this is our food. It looks pretty good. I'm about to dig in right now. I'm so hungry. So now we're restaurant hopping and we're coming to Bonefish to get creme brulee. That is my all-time favorite dessert, and my favorite one to get it from is, my favorite place to get it from is Papa Do's, and we don't have one of those here, so it's really sad. So whenever I go to Atlanta, I really want to go to Papa Do's to get a creme brulee because they have the best creme brulee. But Bonefish is close enough. It's not great, but it's okay. So now we're about to go inside and get dessert. We left the Cajun place. It was pretty good. I would definitely go back again and get something different. I had the crawfish boil. It was okay. So this is our creme brulee. It looks so good. I like raspberries. Sometimes they have like blueberries, and I'm not too much a fan of blueberries, so I'm so glad this one has the raspberries on it because they switch the fruits from time to time. So I'm excited. The first crack is always so satisfying. I feel like I'm on like one of those cooking shows. This creme brulee is actually really good because sometimes when I come here, it's not all that, but it's actually pretty good this time. So I'm back home now and I'm super full, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure you leave a like and a comment and go and follow me over on Instagram. Don't even worry about following me on Snapchat because Snapchat is dead. So follow me on Instagram at christijae, and I will see you guys in my next video.